everybody, it is Simply Chloe, and today I am in Cape Coral. This video may include some pranks, some fun activities, some beautiful areas, and some amazing food. So let's get into it. Okay everybody, so the first thing I'm doing, I'm being really quiet right now. I'm going to be pranking my brother and his friend. So there's a lot of people talking because my father's friend is having like a renovation done on her kitchen. And so yeah, I'm gonna be just like doing some pranks on them. I'm thinking of doing like a knock knock ditch because they hate when I come to the bedroom. So I'm totally gonna do that. Let's get to it.
Yeah, so I ordered these chairs for nothing.
Okay, now I'm going to be pretending like I have been on my phone for a while, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have my computer up and I'm gonna be pretending like I'm just on my computer, just playing around to confuse them if they run to the room, because after a while I think they're gonna get annoyed and run to this room, even though I don't think they're allowed to leave the bedroom, so yeah. They just slipped something under the door. Okay. They slipped, oh my god, a Pokemon card under the door. So they have been taunting me with this card all day. They have been handing it to me, and I like Pokemon, but it's their cards. I don't want to take it from them. So they have been taunting me with this card all day by like giving it to me, and I actually hid it in plain sight. I turned it upside down and put it on the floor with their other Pokemon cards. And so, yeah, I'm gonna go give this back. Okay, so I just muted the sound here because you could barely hear what I was saying, but I was basically saying that I'm going to pretend to be on my computer, so if my brother comes in, he thinks that I am not doing anything suspicious. But little did I know, he was literally behind me, putting a card in my purse that when I turned around in a minute, I noticed my purse was open because I was gonna go grab something. And yeah. It was in my purse. How weird. I guess I'm gonna have to have some better security around here.
How does I just said to one of my customers this week, I said, and they're a difficult customer, said, no, they're so intimate.
Butterfly bums.
Sorry, let's get it back. Brad, you came off of that.
I almost got caught. I almost got caught there. I need to play it safer than this. Okay, so I'm gonna do another prank on them, and this one is going to be where they have a bunk bed. Well, like, Sky has a bunk bed, which is Maverick's friend. Maverick is my brother. So Sky has a bunk bed. I'm going to go in the top bunk and hide up there. They are under the bunk bed, using it like a fort. So I'm gonna go on top and see how long it takes them to notice me.
I'm gonna play the airplane. You know what? You can sleep near the exit and the opening. I'll just. Oh, by the way, no, see that pillow? That's the exit and the opening. Okay. Hey, bro, how are we gonna get like a blankie? How is it on the back? Oh yeah.
I accidentally made the whole thing rumble. They didn't notice.
Yeah, because it's small. But I don't think we need a blanket above us. Especially that would be too messy, and especially we might, and especially it's really already a little hot enough for a blanket in here. Yeah, it's really hard to fit for all of us, so all of us, there's only two. I know, but what if all what if all friends? Oh, bro. fixing it. Okay, good. Okay. You need to venture out for items and decorations. Huh! This is a cool decoration. Put it in. Ow! You okay, bro? You forgot the Thanos sword. Oh, yeah! You stay in the room. I'll search out for stuff. Daddy's helping out here. I'm doing my hair. Okay. The only decorations that are good is in this room. Yeah. Okay, this could be like an outsider decoration. I hit up here.
Okay, everybody, so we will be going to Sky Zone. Don't worry, we will social distance. You can wear a mask or not wear a mask. It's your choice. We're going to be wearing masks part of the time. When we're actually running around, we won't because, you know, we're going to be sweating. It's good to have like a good airflow. And it's a giant place, so I don't think we'll have to worry about being close to other kids because, you know, it's giant there. If you've ever been to a Sky Zone, it's ginormous, you know. If you haven't, it's about the size of like a supermarket, but high, like the roof is probably higher. And so, yeah, that'll be fun. So let's flip to Sky Zone. Thank you everybody for watching my trip to Cape Coral. Have a great day and live your best lifestyle.
Baby.